Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this NuPhy Node75 tri-band wireless keyboard. Since this keyboard is tri-mode, it means you can use it with 2.4G, so you can use it with this little USB adapter right here, or you can use it with Bluetooth, or you can use it wired. It has this very nice included USB-C to USB-A cable, but you can also take off the adapter and make a USB-C to USB-C cable if your device uses USB-C. This keyboard is so elegant, it feels so nice to the touch. You can completely replace any keys or switches with this included switch and key puller. It's got a kind of invisible touchpad right here. It has this little piece of plastic that tells you that you can adjust the volume, you can adjust the brightness, and you can adjust the backlight by basically sliding your finger along that. Looking at the back, you've got these stands you can pull out if you so wish. And up top here, you can control whether you're using this with a Windows or Mac with this switch. And this switch is wired versus wireless. This is where you will plug in your USB-C cable to charge this up, or if you wish to use it wired. This also comes with additional keys for Windows users. So that will replace like the command here with Alt. I've also got this quick start guide. This will tell you how to connect it to Bluetooth. You basically switch this up to Bluetooth and then you push the function button and you can push 1, 2, or 3. So you can pair this with up to 3 Bluetooth devices. If you want to use 2.4G, you will hold down FN and then click on 4 when you have it on the wireless switch up here. Take a look at this unboxing experience. This box is very high quality. It looks super elegant. Honestly, my favorite unboxing experience I've ever had. Right across the top, you could see all the features of the keyboard. And as you open it up, you've got the keyboard in this very nice bag. It's got the logo on it. Now I just want to show you how this keyboard types. So this is a test of how it types. I'm super accurate with it right off the bat. So that just shows you how these keys are like perfectly spaced. And as you can see, as I type, I could type slowly, and the light basically adjusts to your typing speed, which is pretty cool. I really do like having the arrows here because my other keyboard, which is a 60 key, does not include arrows, does not include function buttons. So this definitely has more functionality overall, and this will become my new daily driver just because of its elegance, its functionality, and you can tell it's really made with high quality materials. This keyboard is going to last a very long time. Overall, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.